This tutorial review will show you how to get Spotify Music free trial for up to 6 months. In this video, I'll show you total 4 methods to get Spotify Premium free trial for up to 6 months. The first method is get Spotify Premium free trial with Spotify's individual plans. So you have to open this first link and you will get this page link in this video description below. You have to just open the link and then click on this first link, and here you can see get premium free for 1 month. So you have to click on get started and follow these steps to start your 1 month free trial for Spotify. And the second method is get Spotify Music free trial with PayPal for 3 months. So click on the second link and get 3 months of Spotify free trial. And the third method is get Spotify Premium free trial with Microsoft Rewards. So click on the third link and click on join now and follow these steps to get Spotify free trial for 3 months. And the last method is get Spotify Premium free trial with Samsung. So click on the fourth link. So follow these steps to get Spotify free trial for up to 6 months. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.